What's up guys, so today we're going to be installing a dash cam on this beautiful 2024 Camry. This is my little brother's car. Went ahead and ordered this dash cam right here. It's the Vantrue one. I also got the hard wiring kit for it because I wanted to make it look as close to OEM as possible. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and connect it to some power, mount it where it's going to look the best in the middle and the front, and also in the rear because it's going to be the front and back dash cam. And then once I get everything mounted, I'm going to go ahead and take apart this interior right here and go ahead and clean it all up to make it look like factory. So as you can see, I quickly powered on the camera right now with the 12V port over there. I wanted to go ahead and see what it would look like on the app so I can see where the best mounting spot would be for this camera in the front and of course in the rear when I connect that. Now once I get that mounted and officially placed, then I will go ahead and disconnect the 12V port and then use the hardwire kit to finish it off. Finally got the camera connected to the application on the phone. Now as you can see, there are two different views, one for the interior and one for the exterior. Now that's the unique feature about this dash cam. It has a 2-in-1 feature to allow you to record both interior and exterior, and that's not including the rear camera as well. Now what I'm going to do is use this app to go ahead and enlarge the screen right here and use this view to go ahead and find the best mounting location and move it left and right to see which is the best center point while getting it out of the view of the passenger and driver, and do the same thing for the rear as well. Once I go ahead and finish mounting everything, I can show the placement and then start the hard wiring kit as well. So a little update on the camera. I got the mount over here in the front and the mount in the rear. I have the wiring running across the headliner through the C pillar, also the B pillar, and then continuing down the headliner to the A pillar, coming all the way down and meeting over here. And then same goes with the power for the camera. So I have this wire running across the plastic up to the headliner, down, and then same with the rear camera connection, up the plastic to the headliner, down the A pillar, and meeting in this area. Now I went ahead and took care of the hardwire kit and I put the accessories, the power and the ground wire in, and I'm seeing that it's working. So now the only thing left is to go ahead and clean up all the excess wire, tuck it away, put all the plastic back on and the dash, and see how it looks. Alright, and here is the final product. As you can see, there's no wiring exposed. Looks just like factory OEM. Everything put back together, tucked away, neat. Cameras are working front and rear. Now to go ahead and show you the POV of what it looks like on the app with everything functional. As you can see on the app, we have 3 different views. I'm gonna go ahead and enlarge it. On the top left, we got the front camera interior view. On the middle, we have the front camera front view, and in the top right corner, we have the rear camera rear view. Now, as you can see, the quality looks amazing on all 3 views. I did my best to go ahead and center it as middle as possible while getting the maximum coverage and getting the visibility clear for both the driver and clear from all the other passengers. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the step-by-step process of the front and rear dash cam installation. Now, if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead and feel free to drop them down below. And then until next time, Extreme out.